Everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal, for those of you who are new, and if you're new, I love project panning, but today I have a big amount of lip glosses, lipsticks, things like that I want to use up this year. So I thought I would just go ahead and swatch some of these, well, swatch all of these honestly, show you what they look like and what I think will be good for work, or things like that. But if you're interested in seeing what these look like swatched, just keep on watching. Today I just decided to go through, these are all my lipsticks that I want to work on this year, and I have some good use in some of these and not so good use in others of them. But I just thought I'd go ahead because I don't even remember some colors of these because I haven't used these for so long. I don't really remember what they look like. So we'll just start with this one. I'm just going to go down the line. So I have this one here from So Susan. This is a liquid matte long wear liquid lipstick in the shade Pumpkin. And I can't remember where I got this. Pretty sure this is what the wand looks like. I'm pretty sure I got this in a subscription box. So this is what this shade looks like. It's really, really pretty actually. Maybe this one I could get by. If this, I'd have to test it on the weekends to see if this actually does stay throughout the day, so it's not drifting off of my lips, because I would absolutely hate that. But this is what it looks like, and I'm telling you right now, it has a little bit of a tingling feeling, so I don't mind that though. But that's a really pretty shade, and maybe I can use this for work. Usually I will just go ahead and wear like a lip gloss that's really sheer, or just like a chapstick, something like that, because I don't want it moving around while I'm at work. So I have another one here. This one is the Tristique is the brand, and it's a midi lip glaze in the shade Paris Pink. So that's what the top looks like. We'll see how close it is. So this is what this one looks like. I'll go close for you. So that's what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. That's really pretty actually. That's a really pretty pink. I don't know if I could wear this to work, but I would say most of these are just going to be like weekends or days that I'm not working. But that is a really pretty shade. And the next one here is a red lipstick from the brand L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Professional Liquid Lipstick. So that's what this one looks like. And I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like here. It looks like the wand got a little bent out of, that must just be the way it is. So that's what the color looks like, and oh, that's really pretty. Not something I would wear to work, but it's a very pretty shade for date nights, or maybe I could pull it off on the weekend if I go real light on the eyeshadow. I don't wear dark eyeshadow right now, but this would, when I wear really dark lipsticks like these, it really brings out what I'm wearing on my eyes a lot more, in my opinion. So, but this is really pretty color. Next one here is from Dose of Colors, and I know I got this in the subscription box, so this is rather on the old side. So that's what it looks like, and this is in the shade Merlot. So again, I'll show you what the wand looks like. This looks like it's going to be a really dry formula, and I can see that from there, but we'll go ahead and try. Oh, it still has a lot of, it's not dried out at all yet, so that is good. Really pretty shade. And I really remember liking this color. Again, not one I would wear to work. All right, next one here is a topper. This is the Intense Glitter Effect Lip Topper from the brand Sleek Makeup, Shattered Glass. And it's called Hoax for the color shade is called Hoax. So I'll go close. That's what this looks like. I got this in a subscription box I had to have. So let's see. Hopefully it's in good shape still. Really pretty. So I'm just going to go on the side here, but yeah, look how pretty that is. I don't know why I haven't been using this, other than, I don't know, it's just really glittery. I mean, it's gorgeous. It really, really is. I could see using this with one of these like liquid lipsticks that aren't going to smudge around too much, but it's so pretty, and it also has a little shade to itself, although it is supposed to be a lip topper, so it's supposed to wear it with lipstick. This shade here is from Laura Mercier, and oh, this is an eye color. Well, I'll show it to you anyway. So I don't use a lot of eyeshadows and eye sticks, whatever I call this, eyeshadow sticks much. So this is the shade here, and the shade color is called Strapless. Strapless Caviar Stick Eye Color. I guess that's not the brand, the name of what the color is, but whatever. guess it doesn't have one, but this is what it looks like. So that's really, really pretty. So I'll just go ahead, I'll just do this over here. That is really pretty though. It's so creamy. So yep, that's another one that I want to use up. And this is a little bit on the older side because I know I got this in a subscription box, so I really should use this up soon. I have this here. This is from a subscription box. This is the Kat Von D, and it's obviously red. I'm trying to see what it's named. Santa Sun Gray. So that's what this looks like. And the name, I'll go ahead and show you. This one I remember being a really dry formula. But, oh, that's pretty. Really pretty. I will definitely, all these reds I have, they're so pretty. I just don't really find places to wear them very much, if I'm being honest. So I just gotta use them, not wait for a certain day to use them, I guess is what I'm saying, because it's really pretty. This next one here is from Too Faced, and this is the Melted Matte, and I bought, I think it was an eyeshadow palette that this came with. They just gave it on the side, and this is the, I'm trying to find, it's a pumpkin shade, but I can't see what it's labeled anywhere, but so this is what it looks like. That is super creamy. It's still very, very good shape. So let's go ahead. That's what it looks like right here. Really pretty color. Not as pretty as the reds, but it is a pretty color shade. And I know I got this in the fall, but maybe this fall. I don't think I'll use that shade in the summer too much because any of these dark shades, just because they might melt and I don't want to deal with that. But it is really pretty. And I have this. This is a Crazy Rich High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss from Too Faced. So that's what it looks like. And I think I got this free with purchase. So, oops, that's what it looks like. Super, super shiny, as you can see. But I'll just go ahead, put it right here, right there. And it's really, really pretty. I think it's gorgeous. I would wear this in the summer. I would even wear this to work, honestly. It's not too crazy. It has a little color, and I don't mind the glitter, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. It is really, really pretty. Just gotta go around and use it. Here's one I definitely maybe wear every day. This is from Mally, and it's the shade Sweet Peach. So I'll just undo this, of course. So that's what it looks like. It doesn't look like there's much color at all. So let's go ahead and swatch. Oh, that's pretty. You can hardly see it, but it's right there. Compared to that one that is super, super light, it definitely, a peach, I would say, is a good color for it, for a name. It's a really pretty color and very comfortable to wear. I have this from NARS, and the shade, well, I mean, I can show you the shade, Cruella. So this is a Velveteen Matte Lip Pencil, but the shade is Cruella. As you can see, this is the shade here, and that's what the shade looks like. And just go ahead and swatch. That's pretty. Very, very pretty. A lot of these shades are sort of similar, honestly, but they are in, I really do like these shades. Here's another one from L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, and the shade, I mean, you can see it's a red, 308, Shanghai Scarlet. So that's what that shade name is if you're interested. So before I swatch it, that's what it looks like, and it looks like it's really creamy still. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know why I'm not wearing these more. Other than I stick with one, and then when that's gone, I'm going to pick another one. But that is a really pretty shade. This one from Anastasia, I've used a lot. This is the Moon Jelly Lip Gloss. And this is a sample. It says sample only even on the product. But I got this from BoxyCharm a long while back. But so I'll just go up close. I don't know if you see the glitters in there. Very pretty, but it's very, very clear. So I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this, but I'll swatch it. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that. It is right here. I mean, it's very, very light, but really, really pretty. And it feels comfortable on the lips. I'm working on this one right now, so I think this is going to be used up pretty fast. This is from Physicians Formula. This is the Watermelon Sugar Lip Gloss. And it's the shade, well, I don't know. This just says a Prestige Support Earth Day. Well, but I bought this back a while ago. So, but it's a really pretty shade. So it's right here, and I wear this almost every day. I go back and forth between like a, just like a clear lip gloss or a chapstick, and I wear this too. I do say I do have to apply this a lot, but it feels really good on the lips. It smells really good. So I'm sure within a week this is going to be used up because it's almost gone, and it's really pretty and I really like it. I've been using this on and off. This is the Lip Injection Lip Gloss from Too Faced, and trying to find the shade Christmas Cocoa. This smells super, super good. I'll go ahead and show you. I didn't realize off screen. Sorry about that. So this is what it looks like. And again, it smells like chocolate. It is delicious smelling. I even had my daughter smell it, and she smelled it. She's like, oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like, and I'm wearing this right now, honestly. It has a little bit of a tingle, but I really like it. It has a very sheer color to it, but it's really, really pretty. And lastly, I have this here. This is, I don't even know what brand this is. It says Per. So this came with my eyeshadow collection from Per. It was a Christmas one. So this is one of those when these are really popular. The shade changes, and you can see how I've used it. That is the shade it kind of turns into. So, but I'll go ahead and swatch it anyway. And you just kind of have to wait for it to get darker, and you can see it on camera getting darker. It's a really pretty color, and it's almost done, I think. It's a really pretty pink, and I really enjoy it. So, but I think this is going to take a long time to use up, but it feels comfortable, and actually I could use this to work. It's such a light color. But so that's all of my lip glosses, lipsticks, and I guess one eyeshadow stick that I want to use up this year. I don't know how far I'm going to get, but I think I have a pretty good start to it, but I am still using like clear lip glosses. I just have to start using these more and maybe put those for just nighttime use, which now that I say that, I think I'm going to do that. I'll just have a basket by my bed that I use for my chapsticks and stuff at night, but I'm going to start using these every day when I go to work or wherever I'm going, just so I start using them and they don't go bad. Watching everyone, and if you enjoy, I'll probably be doing more of these just because I have barely touched any of my makeup that I'm trying to use for a very long time. They've just kind of been sitting there waiting to use. So I really do like sampling and seeing, swatching again, everything I want to use up. Again, this is what I'm wearing right now. This is a Lip Injection lip gloss from Too Faced. And you can see it looks very, very clear, honestly. You might be able to see it around here a little bit. And I haven't eaten or drinking anything. This is just kind of what it looks like every day. But I really like this. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please consider giving me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.